Greetings traders, this is Coach Robert with another episode of TopstepX in 5 minutes or less. In this video, we will review the tilt. The tilt is here on the bottom right. Let's bring it up larger. And what the tilt is it shows the top traded instruments, currently gold, the S&P, the NASDAQ, and crude oil. And it tracks all of the trades that are currently active in the Combine or in the XFAs. It does not include the live accounts. So we can see here at this point in time on the S&P, 62% of all Topstep traders are short. The average short price is $51.91. So 62% of traders took a short at this level. On the NASDAQ, it is 60% short. Crude oil, 60%, and gold, 55%. You can choose to use tilt any way you like. Some traders like to go with the trend, with 62% of the other traders, and some traders like to fade. In other words, if a lot of traders are short, they will wait for a moment, think the traders are wrong, and they will take a long and go in the other direction. This is just a simple component. If we don't have it on our chart, we can click the plus sign, and we have the tilt right here. We click and drag, and we can put it anywhere we would like by mousing over these arrows. We can have it nice and prominent. We can have it off to the side, whichever is most convenient for us. In plain view, it is only available in TopstepX, and it tracks the Combine and Express funded account live trades. If you make a change to your layout, be sure to save your layout so it will open the same way the next time. This concludes a brief overview of the tilt in TopstepX.